So now how do we put hand data into the Walkatron system? As you see down here, we don't actually have the hands represented here. What we're going to have to do is actually use the hand panel inside of the main Walkatron panel. So let's go to frame 17. Now the procedure for doing this is a little different. You're going to want to actually put your first frame of animation for the hands. If you're going to do something at time step 1, you actually want to go to time step 17 and open up your hand panel here, and I'll just go ahead and load a couple of different loop libraries for the hand, and I'll open up a sign language and the default library. And let's go ahead. I'm going to put let's put the claw. Let's hit the sync button. I'll hit the claw and let it close this, and then we'll see that the claw has been put on the hands. Now when I play this back, you'll see that that first frame didn't get the animation, so we're actually going to want to put the same thing here at time step 1. So the procedure is go to the time step where you want to put some hand snapshots, and go to the hand panel and place the snapshot, or do the animation manually by moving the finger sliders manually, and you'll see those reflected in here. Now when you save your animation loop, you'll actually be saving the key data that's already in there. So during the saving process of a Walkatron loop, it's actually going to go through all the tracks that need to be saved and look for keyframes that are happening at the time steps. And if there's a keyframe of animation at the time step, that means that you're actually going to get that saved with your Walkatron loop. So here I'll go to frame 9, and I'm going to give these hands some more different snapshots here. I'm going to turn off sync, and I'll go let me move this over here so we can see that happening. So let me see, find a good snapshot for this. That's a good one. So the letter R, and then I'll change to the left hand, and I'll make a fist. And then let's go here to the and you just need to go into your different time steps, and you can put whatever animation you want in there. And then right hand, say OK. And then let's go to the Walkatron and go to number 13 time step, and we'll say that one for there. And for the left hand, we'll say the letter C. And then let's go ahead and play that. And we'll see that that animation is being put in there. And you can put as much hand animation as you want in there, so we could fill this up with all kinds of stuff. Just kind of randomly, you'll see that the hands are going to move really quickly. So I'll play that back. You'll see some real rapid hand motions. So now when I save this, hand test, and I hit the save button, and then we'll load up something else, and we'll see that the hand animation has disappeared. And when I load up hand test, there it is. So just remember, the most important thing when you're doing this to make it work nice and smooth is, first thing you do, put your hand snapshots down at 17, and then go to 1 and do the exact same snapshots. The reason is, if you were to actually go in and add the snapshot here at time step 1, which is always frame 0, is that no keys will actually be written. It'll put your hands actually in the rotational positions that you want, but it actually won't save the data unless you already have a key written. So that's why you want to do it at 17 first. So that's how you do the hands.